What you're seeing now is the core base material for band saw blades, high-precision cold-rolled narrow steel strip coils. These coils are made of high-carbon steel materials such as C67S and C70S, with the thickness precisely controlled between 0.6 to 1.2 mm to ensure a perfect balance between strength and toughness. After quenching and tempering treatment, the hardness of the steel strip can reach HRC 58 to 62. Combined with advanced temperature control technology, a dense martensite structure is formed, endowing the band saw blade with excellent wear resistance and fatigue resistance. Through the 10-stage tension straightening process, the straightness of the steel strip is controlled within 0.1 mm per m, eliminating rolling stress and ensuring stability and accuracy during cutting. Precision slitting is carried out using high-speed rotating cutters. The edges are rounded to avoid stress concentration. Meanwhile, custom widths up to 500 mm are supported to meet the requirements of different saw blade specifications.